na Russia, I beg your pardon, akanda hamwe na ebye America yakire Irani nabyo byagenzere yishuka ngo ekintu kijaho bwanyuma y'amahanga g'abajungu nyoma basiyo kutugambira amazima genyini ngwitwe ebirwaniso birgo nibitucenderaho kandi hamwe na General Senior umumahega neto General Boa arugamba tubuzimazima mwikirize ninga mwange ebirwaniso amahanga gukora umukago gwa neto tagachine ebirwaniso birukumara byo kusupplyinga nagoga kasagazomuka arukolinga for the ramp up of ammo stockpiles okurango ba supplyinga ihanga irya Ukraine katubirebye.
Admiral Rob Bauer told a security forum in Warsaw that, as he put it, the bottom of the barrel was visible. He's called on the arms industry to ramp up production considerably. Britain has also echoed similar concerns. Its Minister for the Armed Forces, James Hayapi, described stockpiles as a bit thin. He urged all NATO members at a minimum to meet a commitment to spend 2% of their GDP on defence. Ukraine currently depends on NATO